Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing a ton of new K-beauty products, which of course means that I'm jumping into my Beauteque subscriptions. So to my left, I have the beauty box. This is the one that has all the full-size K-beauty products. And then to my right, I have the Mask Maven bag, which has a ton of different styles of K-beauty masks. And I do want to give Beauteque a big thank you for sending these over to me to unbox and share with you guys. Yeah, I'm excited to go ahead and unbox them now. So let's see what's inside. So these subscriptions are from the month of August. And firstly, I just want to quickly go through the little cards that they included in this box. Now, if you saw my last video, you've already seen these, but I'm just going to quickly run through them one more time. So the first thing they included is this 25% off code. For any of you that are new to Beauteque and you want to try their subscription service for the first month, you will receive 25% off if you use the code Pamela25. This is not a commission code. I do not make any money at all if you guys use this. It's purely from Beauteque to you guys if you want to save 25% off. And definitely now I feel like is the time to take advantage of this, especially with the holidays coming up. And then the second insert is just like a little breakdown of their subscriptions that they offer, as well as their brand story. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the Mask Maven bag first. So the theme for August is KAWAII kits. If you're not familiar with the term KAWAII, I know that it's like a term coined in Japanese culture to describe really cutesy style products. So things that are really like have a very adorable aesthetic, that are really cutesy and fun, kind of girly, like very fun, cute type of products. Like if you're a packaging junkie, you probably love KAWAII style like makeup and skincare. Inside it says, "Hello beautiful. This month we've corralled up the cutest sheet masks we could find. This adorable assortment will help bring out the best in your skin. We're excited to introduce you to a few new brands we think you'll really love." I did get a comment in one of my previous unboxings where someone requested for me to not like dump everything out and then share things one by one, or to like spoil everything that's inside by opening the card, because it kind of, I guess, spoils the surprise of seeing what's inside. So this time around, I am not going to open this to begin with. I'll open it at the end, and then I'm going to like hide this off to the side so that way you guys can, I don't know, get a true feeling for the unboxing. So this first one comes in this really cute cow print type of packaging, and it's the Milk Essence mask sheet by the company Esfolio. And this has milk protein extract, which is great for keeping skin clean and providing elasticity. I actually think I have the matching hand cream that I received from the same company through one of my past Beauteque subscriptions. So now I have the matching mask sheet, which I love. I love products that are super like creamy and hydrating. So I feel like this is going to be really good for my dry skin right now. This next one is an avocado sheet mask, and it's by Botanic Farm. And I cannot say that I've ever tried an avocado mask. As far as I'm aware, I feel like maybe I've tried an avocado clay mask, maybe in my past life at some point, but I don't think I've ever tried an avocado sheet mask before. And it says that avocado is full of antioxidants and vitamins, which is good for softening and firming dry and rough skin. I already know that avocado is really good for my body, so it makes perfect sense that it's also really good for my skin, especially for softening it. So I know I'm gonna love that. Okay, I feel like this is probably going to be my favorite, or the one I'm most excited to try. You can see it's actually totally clear, like you can see my hand right through it. It's NOHJ is the brand, and it says that this is a cellulose sheet mask that sticks tightly to your skin and contains aloe extract. It's great for getting rid of old acne scars and dark spots. It looks like something made in a lab from like the future. Like it just looks so, I don't know, different. Next is this Water Bomb Jelly Mask, and it's by the company Berisem. It says that it contains grapefruit, milk, and honey extracts that work together to smooth and brighten skin. That's a very unique combination, grapefruit, milk, and honey. Things that all are amazing for the skin, but I've just never seen them in that combination. And you can see it kind of looks like a little balm here at the front, and it is a jelly mask, meaning that it's very cushy and thick. Great if you have dry skin, textured skin, because this really infuses and kind of amps up the moisture. So yeah, again, because my skin is super dry right now with the weather changing, I know my skin is gonna drink it up. Next is this super cute like honeycomb type of mask. It's the Honey essence mask sheet from Esfolio, and it says that honey extract is full of antioxidants that help boost moisture and radiance for healthy skin. Okay, I found my second favorite one that I think I'm most excited to try. This is an eye mask, and it is the Millat Fashiony Eye Mask. And you can get either the panda one or the bear one in your subscription, but I ended up getting the panda one, and I'm very excited about it because it's super cute. So you can see it's just this little like mask that you put on your eyes and you turn into a little panda. And it says the panda one is designed to help firm loose skin around the eyes and lighten under eye bags. This next one is also by Millat. I don't know if the company is called Millat Fashiony. I think that's the name of it, but this one is their tomato mask, and you can see it has this cute little, character on the front. And it says that tomato extract helps prevent signs of aging and even out skin tone. Back at it again with the Millat Fashiony. This one is their pearl mask though, and you can see it's like a little seal, which is so cute. I love it. Look at its little face. I just want to squeeze it. Okay, so this one does contain pearl. Love pearl masks. I think the first sheet mask I ever tried was a pearl sheet mask, so it has a little special place in my heart. And this one does help soothe skin, brighten, rejuvenate, reduce blemishes, and keep skin looking younger and refreshed. And then finally is this one by JM Solution. It's the Honey Luminous Royal Propolis Mask. And it says that this mask leaves your skin feeling and looking smooth, thanks to the hydrating honey extracts found within. And you can see it has this really cool kind of like dripping honeycomb on the front. I always love masks that come in these super like dramatic, very like high-end looking packaging. I just think it makes it so much more luxurious when you're using it. And this one in particular is a black mask, so it's not like a typical white sheet mask. It is a black one. But yeah, I just love how beautiful and shiny the packaging is. So that is it for the mask Maven. I'll go ahead and just give you a quick overview of everything that was inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the beauty box. And again, we have the KAWAII kit theme. The inside of this one, it says, "Hello beautiful, get ready to say aw this month." We're showing that the cuter side of cosmetics can be just as powerful as the serious stuff. Featuring a tried and true K-beauty favorites as well as a few new brands, we hope these cuties brighten up your day. And the little sticker on the front says, "We mermaid for each other." Okay, I'm sorry, I just have to share a sneak peek, but I'll go ahead and put it over here. Okay, so this first one, again, is by the company Millat Fashiony. Millat Fashiony is killing this box so far because everything is so adorable from this brand. This is their Fruit Soothing Gel in Watermelon. I love watermelon products. One of my favorite masks of all time is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Mask. It is amazing, so I know I'm going to love this as well. And the packaging is super cute. It's really girly. It almost kind of looks like a giant popsicle, but you can see it has this really cute watermelon pattern printed on it. And this is great for sun-damaged skin, and it's rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C, I know, is one of the most effective ingredients for your skin, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It's like the prettiest corally pink jelly moisturizer. It feels so good. It just feels like water on the skin. I especially love using gels straight out of the shower, like after all that steam and harsh like heat has been touching your skin. It feels so nice to just like slather this on your face, and it kind of just instantly calms everything down. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be sticking this guy in my bathroom. Okay, I have to mentally prepare you for how freaking adorable this next one is. Look at how cute it is! This is the Sandipin Octopus Silicone Cleansing and Massaging Brush. And it says that this is a adorable 2-in-1 octopus brush that works together with your favorite cleanser. Both sides massage the skin to stimulate blood flow while gently removing dirt, makeup, and excess oil. And it says that you can actually add your cleanser to the bottom, like where this little black foamy part is, and then you squeeze it until the cleanser foams up, and then you can go in and use this little guy to massage your skin and really give your face a nice deep clean. It also says that you can use it with a cleansing balm or an oil cleanser, pretty much any type of skin treatment that you want to use to cleanse the skin. You can use this guy to really help maximize the benefits and just give yourself an overall deeper clean. Plus, it's adorable. I just feel like this would make my skincare routine 100 times more fun. So I'm excited to try that guy out. Okay, so I think aesthetically, this is probably one of my top favorites, and this is the Cici Mint Coin Tissue. So it says that it's a soft fabric that feels great on skin and can be used to gently remove makeup. You can use it by wetting the tissue with a few drops of water and gently unfolding, and then it can be used on your face or body. How cute is that? It kind of reminds me of like a Pez candy. So you just slide it open like this, and you can see it's like these little pre-packaged, they almost just look like little tablets pretty much. But once you wet them, oh my God, and they have made in Korea printed on the front, like embossed in the fabric. How cute is that? So you basically just wet these with water and then they unfold into like a cleansing cloth. So for reference, here's what they look like. And then you wet it and it unfolds to this cleansing cloth. For some reason, this reminds me of something I'd see in like a Wes Anderson film. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but you know how he uses a lot of very like simplistic, very minimalistic design. And I always feel like everything he does is always inspired by public transportation, like the fonts and the colors. I don't know if that's just me or if any of you kind of see that similar theme, but this just reminds me of something I'd see in a Wes Anderson film. So I'm so excited to try this guy out. And of course, you cannot have a KAWAII themed subscription without having something from Tony Moly, because we all know that brand is all about like novelty and very like cutesy type of products. And this is their banana hand milk. And it says that this is a cult favorite hand cream that helps moisturize skin without feeling sticky or greasy. It also smells like delicious baked banana bread. So here is what it looks like. And I love that it has a little like squeezy tip. So it's probably really easy to apply. And there's what it looks like. It's very creamy and thick. So it's really, really moisturizing. Do you guys remember Runts candies? Do those still exist? I don't know if they still exist, but if you guys remember the banana scent or the banana candy from Runts, this smells exactly like that. It's totally giving me 90s hanging out at the mall vibes. This one is by the company The Sem or the Saem, S-A-E-M is the brand name. There you go, there it is. This is their single blusher, and it says that it's a baby coral blush that adds a nice pop of color to your cheeks while also controlling shine. It's very interesting. So it's like a shine reducing blush. In love with that. I've never thought of that concept, but it makes so much sense because I have combo skin and I tend to get really oily on my cheeks, but like dry in other places. So that is so cool that it's kind of like an oil control blush. And let's go ahead and see the color. It's very, very smooth and also very pigmented. I think coral blushes are some of my absolute favorites. They just add a lot of youth to the skin and look very sun-kissed and pretty. And I'm very intrigued by the fact that this is an oil control blush. The last product in the beauty box is this one by JM Solution. It's their Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask, and it is a 3-step mask. It has an essence, a marine waterfall essence, a marine all face eye cream, and then a luminous mask. So again, this is a pearl mask, which we know by now has a lot of different benefits, but this one in particular is really good for hydrating as well as firming the skin. Doesn't this mask look like something Ariel from The Little Mermaid would wear? I love it, it's so pretty. Here's what the little insert looks like folded out now that I've shared all of the products with you guys. So you can see there's a breakdown on everything, how to use it, some expert tips and tricks. I have to say this one was one of my absolute favorite themes, and I feel like I say that a lot, but they just keep coming out with cuter and cuter stuff, and this one was literally cute themed, like all really cutesy packaging and stuff like that. So I just am completely obsessed. I actually would love to see like a part 2 of this same theme because I just can't get over how adorable everything is. I'll be sure to link everything related to Beauteque down below for you guys to check out. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.